Owls are generally nocturnal hunters. Their night vision is highly developed, and they possess the ability to fly silently. They typically feed on mice, insects, birds, and other small animals. The hooting sounds of owls are distinctive and recognizable. These hooting sounds are used for various purposes, such as communication among birds, marking territories, or finding a mate. Owls have powerful talons and a strong beak structure. They use their talons to capture and hold their prey, while their beaks are suitable for tearing apart and consuming their catch. There are numerous owl species worldwide, each often specific to a particular geographical region.